How to fix speech services by Google downloading the English US update and waiting for network connection error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will show you if you get the error of downloading US update and waiting for network connection from Google speech services. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, sometimes on your Android device, what you could be facing is generally this kind of error which you see. So let me just go ahead and show you. You could be having this error which says speech services by Google is downloading the US English update and waiting for network connection, and there is just no end to this. It keeps on repeating itself over and over again. Even if you try to stop, it's not going to get stopped. I will show you how you can fix this issue, so make sure to leave a like and watch this video till the end. Now, the very first thing we will do is I will simply hop out of gallery, and first we will try to actually force stop the application. And in order to force stop speech services notification, I will go ahead and open the settings app on my phone. Once you open the settings app, right here in the search box, you want to locate the option called apps. So go ahead and tap on apps. Over here, you can simply find speech services by Google, but I'm going to simply use the search box and then type in speech services by Google. As you can see, this app right over here, I will simply tap on speech services by Google, which you see. Once you tap on speech services by Google, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. What you want to do is, from the very bottom right hand corner, you can see those force stop icons. So all you have to do is force stop the app once and then tap on the OK button, which you see. So go ahead and tap on OK and verify if your issue has been fixed. In most cases, this will simply remove the notifications from your phone. If this doesn't help, the other thing you could try to do is simply restart your Android device. In most cases, you simply need to press the power buttons. In my case, I have Bixby installed, so I will have to press the volume down and the power buttons together. So let me go ahead and simply show you by pressing the volume buttons and the power buttons together. As you do that, you can see I have enabled the restart option. So all I have to do is simply tap on this restart button in order to actually restart my Android phone. This might also help you fix that and remove that notification. If this doesn't help, the other thing we can also do finally is to simply uninstall or update the speech services by Google manually through our Google Play Store. So what you want to do is go ahead and simply open your Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, right here in the search box, you want to type in speech services by Google. So go ahead and simply type in speech services by Google. You can see in my case it is installed, and I do have the option to uninstall. However, in your case, you may not have the uninstall button. You could tap on it if you have. If you don't, you could see the update button or the install button. Go ahead and tap on update or install. In my case, I will tap on the uninstall button and I will simply reinstall speech services by Google again. So again, I will go ahead and tap on the install button, which you see. And hopefully one of these solutions may have fixed the issue. If it did fix the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.